Her dad is lonely. He lives in a big house with no one. He is divorced. His friends live far away. He does not work anymore. He just sits at home and watches movies. She feels bad for her dad. She surprises him with a dog. He loves the dog so much. He takes care of it. She is too sick. She has a cold. She can't stop sneezing. She keeps a tissue box near her. Her nose is so red. She also has a fever. She puts a cold towel over her forehead. She is too sick to go to school. Her friends visit her. They give her the homework assignments. They try to make her feel better. Ronald is the worst student. He does not do his homework. Instead, he plays video games. His teacher yells at him. Ronald does not care. He listens to music when the teacher is talking. He does not study. His test scores are bad. He is mean to his classmates too. Charles asks to borrow his eraser. Ronald hits him. She has bad manners. She never shows any respect. Her mother buys her a present. She does not say thank you. Her grandparents come to her house. She asks them to leave. Her classmate has something she wants. She steals it. Her dad asks her for a favor. She does not do it. He does not like Ms Garcia, his math teacher. She always separates him from his classmates. She always gives him a lot of homework. She always calls him mean names. She never helps him. He drops out of Ms Garcia's class. He transfers to Miss Moore's class. She is much better.